What's up, unboxing aficionados? I'm back with yet another unboxing. Unfortunately, I did this entire video. Come to find out, my phone did not record it. But this is an Amazon Prime package. It's shipped from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana. And this is Emergen-C. 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, daily immune support, antioxidants, B vitamins, and electrolytes. Natural fruit flavors as much vitamin C as 10 oranges. This is super orange. Flavored fizzy drink mixed with natural flavors. So, I don't know if you knew this. I don't know if you've seen the news or read a newspaper, but apparently we're in the middle of a pandemic. And we need to get our immune system up and be healthy and happy. So, what I do is I try and take positive steps, take supplements to help keep my immunity up. I've been working really, really hard at my weight loss, and I don't want to die. We all probably know at least a couple people, unfortunately, that have been affected by this pandemic, and let's just keep them in our thoughts and hope that we can live another day, be healthier and happier. I'm wishing you the best. If you're watching this video, I truly hope that we all make it out of this pandemic and get back to some normalcy. If you want to help support my channel, watch some of my other videos. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username London Hawthorne at websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net, and your coupon code, you'll save about $3 off every shirt that you order. And it helps me out because I get a couple bucks in credit. You get $3 off. Use London Hawthorne at riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. And let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite flavor? Have a great day.